Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over our old school fried chicken comment saying that we should do a mukbang, and we got the mukbang for you right after this part. Now, this is the old school fried chicken we use. We use all of the seasons from the old school. Everybody call it old school because it's like the Lawry's, the pepper, the onion powder, the garlic, salt, whatever. You need to go check it out. Now, here we go. Granddaughter's tearing it up. You hear that crunch? Yeah. Take another bite. Hear that crunchiness? The crunchiness. If you like what you see, make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube channel. We also like to thank Tanya Turner for subscribing and following us on our YouTube.